is Excel from which we will be creating as a shared parameter. If you see, it has a parameter name, parameter type, parameter group, and it also shows whether the parameter should be instance or type. For this tutorial, I will be using Revit 2017 and Dynamo version 2.0. Let's open a new Dynamo, in which I am going to create shared parameter node to see what are the requirements to create a shared parameter name. It should have parameter type, the required data is parameter group, and the last one it says whether it should be type or instance. Before starting the Dynamo scripting, I will be explaining from where we got the value for parameter type and parameter group. This is Revit built-in group enumeration, and this is parameter type enumeration in Revit API. I will give link for the both in the below description. Let's switch back to Dynamo workspace. For importing Excel, I will be using node import Excel, data import Excel. See, it requests two input. One is sheet name, another is file input. For the sheet name, I will be giving as a default one, that is sheet 1. I will be using two nodes to import the Excel file from the external source. One is file path, another is file path from. Let's browse the Excel where I have saved it. I am linking the file path to the file path from, then to the data import Excel. Once you complete the import, the Excel will open automatically. If you see the data import node Excel, all the data from the Excel has been imported, in which the list 0 is nothing but the heading, parameter name, parameter type, parameter group, and type of instance. The list is eliminated by using rest of the item node. The list of item eliminated the list 0. Now we will be using list transpose to categorize the list as per parameter type, group, type or instance. Using get item at index node to segregate the list separately. The get item at index required two input. One is list, another is index. Index is nothing but the level from the list. The index 0, which have the parameter name. Let's create shared parameter node for reference. By using get item at index node, I am segregating the list further into parameter group, parameter category, and type or instance by using different index value from the list. If you see create shared parameter node, input instance required a boolean value. What we have is a text list, so we have to convert this text list into boolean. For converting boolean into text, we will be using an operator, not equal to operator. On the y value we will have type. If the parameter is type, then the output will be false. If the parameter is instance, the output will be true. Let me switch back to Revit and create a mechanical equipment. So when we create a shared parameter by using the Dynamo node, the parameter will automatically assign to the element which we select in the Revit environment. For category list, in the node create shared parameter, I will be using the elements which I created. For that I will be using two nodes, select model elements and elements get category node. I think we have all the information to create the shared parameter by using create shared parameter node. For the group name for the shared parameter, I will be using facility parameter. After running the script, if you check the elements which we selected, all the parameters has been assigned to it, and also a shared parameter file has been created.